beautiful out here. Windy. Look at the wind blowing my curtain. Oh, I love it. Let me go outside. Sit on my porch, have a smoke, and talk to my family. My phone's getting ready to die, but it's okay. Sitting outside enjoying. I'm not first in the house. Oh, it look like it's about to rain. Like it's about to rain. Got the grannies out. See, down on my side of the street, like on my street, right? It's a long, like it's like a very long street. Like on this half, I would say from that blue, like let me see, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 houses from down there up this way, all the way up here. It don't be so dead quiet, nothing quiet. But from that house that 1, 2, 3, 4 houses going that way, drugs, but for the most part of it, it's quiet on the street. But down that way down there, I love it. I can sit out here. Don't be nobody out on their porch but me down this way. All right here. Sometimes them across the street, they come out with their kids. They don't be out here all the time. It's just, it is beautiful out here. Beautiful. Yeah. I've been chilling all day. All day. I could have went shopping too. I could have went to the thrift store if I wanted to. I was where the Wally's was, Walmart. So I didn't know spending. I got everything I want and everything I need. Let me just save my money. Yep, let me just save my money. Only thing I need for the house is some bleach. I'm gonna have my granddaughter go get some bleach tomorrow from Dollar Tree. Give me some bleach. Clean the house this weekend. I'm gonna thorough clean the house this weekend. Deep clean it. So quiet. Peaceful. Yeah, it was so peaceful. Stomach feeling a little better, but not 100% yet, but it's starting to feel a little bit better. Not that I told y'all my stomach was hurting or anything, but I got acid reflux really bad, so I'm gonna get some medicine for it. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna get some medicine. Ooh, a FedEx bus. Is that my stuff from Shein? I got an order coming between now and the 27th, 28th. So I have a Shein haul. It's a small one. It's not clothes or nothing because I still got clothes from Shein that I haven't even worn yet, brand new. So it's like, nah, let me wait till it start getting cooler outside. Then I can start getting my stuff for the fall. cute stuff. I thought they gonna have some cute stuff. They got cute stuff out now. I'm gonna just rack up on some stuff, and then it rained because the ground looks moist, wet, a little not wet, but like like moist, like it's like it rained or something because the ground looks. You can tell. I need to do something different over here to cover this side of my porch off completely. I don't even want nobody to be able to see me at all. We need to get some nails, nail this down. But yeah, guys, I just want to get in and talk to y'all, hang out, enjoying this beautiful weather and things like that. Hold on, y'all. Just want to enjoy some weather. Excuse me. Kids went to the program, by the way. They just left about 15 minutes ago. The school bus picked them up and they gone to the program, honey. They gonna have fun. They gonna eat, play, have fun. I was gonna go, but I was like, you know what? That's my break. Let me let them go on. I'll stay my butt right here, and I'm about to go lay down. It's cool outside. We don't even need the AC. I'm turning my air conditioner off in a little while. I'm gonna lay in my room tonight, open up all my windows, lay in my room, turn my fan on. We don't need no air because it is very nice, windy. It's not hot, humid, nothing. Nope. So not. I need to put the rest of my greenery up. I ain't even done that yet. I'm gonna go look for some fall decor next month for my porch. Thrift store. Some thick, non-see-through curtains. And this my porch up. And I'm gonna take all this down and wash it really good at the laundromat, and then take it in my house. Put it in the basement. All this is gonna be in the basement. Everything's on my porch. Like everything on my porch. All this decor, all this stuff. All that right on the window, over there, in front here, behind me, all on the basement. After I deep clean it, I'm gonna deep clean it next month because we got guests coming. My landlord was bring me the is it humidifier, so I can get the smell out my house. I'm gonna remind him to see if we can bring it to him before September the 1st, so I can go ahead and start using it because I need to get the smell out my house, the basement. You know how you get that moisture smell down the basement when it rains. We got people coming to Columbus from Atlanta, and they coming to my house. These are my kids' friends from Atlanta are coming here because I'm having a Labor Day cookout, and I'm trying to get that smell. Even though I'm gonna have smell goods going like infusers, diffusers, whatever you want to call it, incense. It's gonna be smelling good. I'm gonna get a new bathroom set for the bathroom. Fix it up. I'm gonna probably now that we got guests coming, I'm gonna go ahead. I wasn't gonna change the bathroom out, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a few pieces from the thrift store, Walmart's, free store, and just redecorate my whole bathroom. Clean it. I'm redecorating my room. So I need that humidifier immediately. Because people gonna be coming. I gotta fix my porch up and stuff like that. Backyard. It's gonna be really cozy, nice, beautiful. I might have my house beautiful, very cozy, very warm feeling when they come. I go. Yes. So we that together. I got till September the 6th to have everything done. See, that's why I say that's why it's good to do everything if you can on a budget. Decorate your house before you can get it done like that. When you're trying to spend all this money and stuff, you can if you want to. For me, I just go to a thrift store, grab what I need, go to Wally's World, go to a free store, grab stuff up. And you got what you need right there. You ain't got to wait on nobody to deliver nothing. Because it might not even come on 10. You know what I mean? Now, I will, yeah, because if I'm having a cookout on the 6th, I ain't gonna have time to order nothing unless I do it now, and I ain't trying to spend my little change I got now. I want to keep my little change. I don't want to go broke like that. You know, I ain't got everything I need. I don't need nothing else. I don't need nothing else. I don't. Mm-mm. Like I say, the only thing I'm doing over is the porch, my basement, the bathroom, and that's it. Probably get a couple pillows from Walmart to put on the couch in here in my sectional. Clean. I mean, I'm about to clean my house. Because when you have guests come over, even though I keep my house clean, but I really want to kick it up a couple notches. When you know you have people who's never been in your house before, for one, you don't want them to be like, they wouldn't say that anyway if they came down because my house is totally clean. But I'm just saying I want to make it smell good. I want to do my bathroom, especially. That bathroom had them decorations, the corner is old. It's very old. I got to clean the walls. I might even paint the bathroom, but I may not. I might paint it. I might just the bathroom. That's it. I ain't paint nothing else, but I might paint my bathroom or put up wallpaper. I can go get the peel and stick rather and just put them in and do the bathroom. That's it. I might do that. Yep, I might do that. We'll see. But I know I am gonna fix it up. Clean my kitchen real good. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff on the first, even before the first. The new stuff. We got big Marmot. Yeah. My house up. For anybody that never been in my house, I'm really about to hook it up so they can be like, ooh, tonight. They can be like, y'all house was nice and cozy, clean, look good in here, real. Yep. Plus, these are my kids' friends. I don't want them to be thinking like they wouldn't think that. But I'm just saying I want them to give them a really good first impression of my home. And it's raining. It's raining. Let me see. I think it's raining. It looks like it is. I hear it like, no, it ain't raining. But it feels good out here. So we're gonna clean the yard in the back. Clean the yard. Hopefully my landlord will come and cut the grass before they come. I'm gonna let him know I'm having a cookout on the 6th of September, and if he can have somebody come out before then to cut the grass. Typically, he's good for, when I put my request in for that, he's good for sending somebody out here, because he did that for me on the 4th. He sent somebody out here, literally, I think it was the same day or the day before. He sent somebody out here to cut my grass so I can have my cookout. So I'm very thankful for that. So I'm gonna ask him if he can get somebody out here before the 6th of September to cut the grass. But I'm gonna ask him that somewhere around the 2nd or 3rd of September. Maybe the 2nd. That way, give him time to get somebody out here to do it. I want to get some bug repellent. I need my stuff. Who's that? That's somebody calling. And nobody outside. It's just me up here. Nobody. I love it. Whew. But spoke too soon, huh? Spoke too quick. They loud. They cars over. Let me get that muffler fixed, baby. But yeah, I'm excited. Lord's willing. I'm gonna get everything together. I know I'm gonna spray paint my porch darker charcoal gray. Yeah, or black. I don't know yet. I might do the whole porch black. No, my landlord don't like black. He don't want me to do nothing black. So I'll go with the not a dark charcoal gray, but like a couple shades that's maybe a little bit lighter than that, but not too light. Yep. Put my chairs out here at that night, lights out here, so when everybody comes, you know, have somebody to kick it. Yep. Get some more chairs. I got a lot of chairs now, but I don't know. We gonna see. So I have my bottles. I'm gonna give me 2 big bottles, some wine, case of beer. We lit. Mm-hmm. I got these little baskets right here that I'm gonna hang on my porch. Flowers, I ain't even done. This is this little thing I gotta add. Oh, sorry, babies, fam. I'm sorry. Yeah, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear, how I'm gonna wear my hair. Cause I don't know. Yeah, I probably just, I don't know, put some hair on. I'm gonna put some hair on, honey. But I like the style I got now, so I'm gonna keep this. I like it, my signature style, baby. Yep. Menopause is messing with me, got me hurting, pain, pain. I never told y'all what happened. It was years and years ago before I even had kids. Got in a car accident, ate glass right here and some on my face. I think on this arm. I got glass on my nose. Had glass. If I never done this, all this right here would have been on my face. This would have been my face. All this would have been right on. If I never did this and got an accident, that glass would have been, my whole face would have been like this the rest of my life. All right, my daughter wants me to come in. Y'all, I love y'all. Talk to y'all. Remember, comment, rate, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Turn on your post notification button. And I'm gonna come back outside before the kids come home. Okay? I love y'all.